Hey, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to combine indicators to make a strategy. You don't have to have coding experience to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You want to come to Cursor, and today I'm going to be using the Bollinger Bands and EMA cross together. So how the strategy is supposed to work is when the EAs cross on the top side of the Bollinger Band. So basically, the Bollinger Band settings are going to be 200. So if it's in the top middle, between the middle Bollinger Band and upper Bollinger Band, it's going to sell, and vice versa. And vice versa. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's see. I'm gonna tell it right. For you gotta tell it if it's for MT4 or 5. So I'm doing this for MT4. I mean MT5, and I'm gonna be like use EMA cross for buy and sell, and use 200 BB, which is Bollinger Bands, for conditions. So when EMA cross on the middle upper BB, it should sell, and vice versa. Let's see. It might not fully understand what I mean, so I'm gonna just run it and see what it does, and if it doesn't fully understand, I'm gonna just critique it as I go. Like before, you want to select all and delete this, and you want to copy the code straight from here. So this is the code. I'm gonna copy this, and let's see what we get. All right, looks good. Let me pull up the middle a little bit more. Oh, it doesn't look good. So it has issues. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put these issues in. I'll put that in. It would just be easier if I split screen it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just split screen it, and yep, and cool. The issues should be fixed by now. Let's see. Right now, since I already placed the code, I put Control Z. Then I just paste it again. Alright, looks good. I'm gonna run it. Let's see what inputs we have. The area period, Bollinger Band periods, trade lot size, stop loss, and stop take profit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it in visual mode just to check it and make sure that it's doing what I think it needed to do, in my opinion. So let's go to here. EMA plus BB, that's what the name of it. I gotta change that. look weird. So I'm gonna test it on the euro. Yeah, I mean plus BB. That's the name of it, and gotta put it in visual mode because I need to see if it's doing it right. Hopefully it places the indicators on top so I can see if it's actually doing right, but we'll see. Yep, right there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is make the TP and the SL a little bit bigger so I can make sure that it is right, because if it's really short you're not gonna really see what's really going on. That's too big. Alright, let's run it. This gotta be a buy. Okay, it's a buy. Okay. I can't really see. Whoa, how big is it? Oh, that don't look right. It's not even showing the whole Bollinger Band. I'm gonna add something else to it to make it look better. It's not showing the whole Bollinger Band, so I'm gonna tell it to add time frame input for BB, right? That way I can probably see it better. It might be running on a daily time frame or something. You never know. Yeah, there we go. A monthly a little bit too much. You never know. It could be daily, weekly, or monthly. That the BB did look really big, and that doesn't really need what it needs to look like. I want to run it on 30 minutes. See if that make a difference. Let's run it. That's a problem because I can't really see it, so we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna tell it I can't see the BB in back test. Okay, let's see. Oh shoot, I think I did something wrong. Okay. Wait. Too much going on. Wait. The code looks smaller. That don't look good. Oh no, it's not. It's bigger. Okay, good. Alright, cool. Yeah, you want to click that every time, like I say, to make sure it's running. Yep, 30 minutes. Alright, let's get it. Oh, it's like it's running now. It's in visual. I don't think it's in visual mode though. It's running, but here we go. Alright, well, Yeah, you can pause it right here. Tester, you push pause, stop slower or step by step. But I did this to see if I can hopefully put it in here, like put the BB on there myself without I have to put it in the code, which looking like I need to do it run again, which I don't really feel like running again. Yeah, but I probably gotta run it again. Let's see. We're gonna run the code again. I'm gonna tell it it's doing the same issue. No BB, same issue. Wish I could just throw it on there and wouldn't have to worry about it. On MT4, you can just throw on the indicators, but I could have sworn I saw the BB was on here already before, but it just seemed like it just came off when I put the time frame on there. Alright, now this shit should work. Okay, let's see what's going on here. See if we switch it, if it'll trade. This is one of the strategies we made. I don't know if you remember, but it's one of the strategies we made already. And obviously it's trading perfectly fine. So it's definitely not my program. So we're going to stop that and we're gonna do that one. Yeah, it's not working. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. We gotta get it to not focus on that then and tell it to it's not back testing. Just make the code it's not bad testing. Don't worry about having indicators on chart. It should trade now though. Alright, cool, let's run it. Should trade now. Yep. 200, yep. 200 lot size. Okay, yep, it's back testing. Let's look at it. See, look, the Bollinger Band is on there. I just see one line though. I don't see the other two. I wonder why it looks like that. That's very confusing. But yeah, if it's above this 200, it should be selling, and if it's below, it should be buying. So that's pretty much all it has to do. Now it should. Oh, that was it. So let's just shorten the TP and stop loss so I can see. I'm shorting the TP and stop loss so I can see if it's consistently doing it right. Cause it looked like it just did like one trade pretty much. All right, should buy here. We can check the history. Yep, it was a buy, sell. Yep, sell. You can tell by these arrows too. I'll slow it down, but I'll even pause it real quick. See, this how you know it's a sell, cause right here it says sell. When it bought, I don't know where it bought. Okay, it bought right here, and it says buy. It's based off the lines, so you can go back and check. You also have your history right here, so it's doing what it's supposed to do. Go ahead and run it and speed it up. Oh, that's too fast. All right. Oh, okay, that's it. Looked like it did everything right. It did a sell here. Oh, like it did a buy. That when it exit. This is when it exit. But maybe that was the exit on the buy, and this is when it sold. That was a sell and an exit there. So yeah, that's an exit, and all right, I'm gonna run it for a little bit longer and actually see if it carries on for a long period of time. This was only a month. There's not much time. It's due to August till now. Well, March 1st, and let's see if it runs. We're not looking for probability yet. We're just looking, making sure everything's trading right. It doesn't have to be profitable at this point. We'll get to that point when everything look like it's working correctly. When it's actually, I'm gonna go back and make the TP and SL a little bit wider because we're testing a longer time, so we'll be able to see more even if our thing is spaced out. All right, so now let's see. That's a buy. Yep. I should sell now. That's a sell. Yup. See, that's when it got out. It's a sell right there. Looks good. Sell right there. Looks good. Supposed to sell around this area like it's supposed to. Not an issue. Yep, that looks good. Now it's supposed to buy. Now it's supposed to buy. Buy. Yep. Sell. Buy. It's supposed to buy under this 200 EMA. Well, 200 BB, which is Bollinger Bands. Might as well be an EMA now. It could work the same way with an EMA. You'll do 3 EMAs. You'll do your 9, your 20, and your 200, and that could be a more simpler way of doing this. But it's using BBs. But it's really the same thing as using a 200 EMA. Should buy. Shouldn't buy yet. Should buy now. All right, so everything's looking good. So yeah, like in my past videos, you want to add a trailing stop loss, partial TPs, dynamic TPs if you want to, a dynamic SL. You would actually probably use your BBs, which is Bollinger Bands, for your dynamic TPs and SLs, or any other indicator like maybe an ATR or something like that to do your dynamic TPs and SLs, which is pretty good and pretty good for risk management because it ATR is an indicator that's based off of what's going on in the market, so it'll give you a number for your TP and SL. But since you're using EA, which is something trading for you. It'll calculate it for you and automatically have the TP there. Yeah, but you would have to set it where it doesn't change because ATR does change over time, and you don't want that interfering with your TP and SL while you're in the middle of the trade, unless that's what you want. You could make it where it changes with the ATR, but I think that's a little messy and very confusing because at the same time, even though the EA is trading, you're the one that's paying attention to what's going on and making sure the EA is doing what it's supposed to do. And if you can't really handle your TP and SL changing frequently, I don't think you should do that. Yeah, we're sitting here just watching it, but I'm making sure it's doing the right thing throughout the whole process because a slip up can mess up your trading strategy, and you don't want that. Yeah. Hey, you might not even want to do lot size. You might want to do percentage on the account, basically risk 1 to 2%. They advise you don't risk more than 5% of your account, which 5% is pretty high. I don't even think regulated brokers let you do 5% risk on your account. Okay, everything looks good from what I'm seeing. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's selling when it's supposed to. It's buying when it's supposed to. It's doing really good. Only thing I would change about this, and I might change later. That's only if I don't add a dynamic TP and SL. I would make instead of 200 VB, I would make a 200 EMA and just have it fully EMAs. But this video was about combining two different indicators, which it is combining two different indicators. And to sell this more, you would make your BBs, like the upper BB and the lower BB, a dynamic SL or a TP, either or. Looks good. Let's speed this up though. Let's see if we can speed that up. Oh, that's it. So it looks good. I wonder if it was profitable. I wonder if it was profitable even us not trying. Let's see. Let's see what it did. It didn't lose too much. We started with 5,000, so it only lost like $7. But it was just us testing it and making sure it ran right. We wasn't even trying to make money yet. Once we're trying to make money, we'll go ahead and make all the numbers make sense, and it should end up in profit. But like I said, the only thing I would change about this is making the BB a 200 EMA and making all of it EMA based, which is pretty good. So yeah, that's how you combine different indicators to make your trading strategy. What I would add to this is, like I said, we have a TP and a SL. I would add, in the past videos, we added a SL, a trailing SL, and a partial TP. That's what we added. So what I would do is do the same thing to this strategy. I would add a partial TP and a trailing SL, and I think that would solidify your trading way more better to what's going on. And yeah, that's it. Bye.